Okay, okay. Sorry, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Okay. So prerequisites for applying support packages add-ons language. So first point is that your maintenance certificate should be renewed for every 3 months. Okay. If you don't renew this maintenance certificate, then your whatever the support packages you are applying or add-ons or language, it will not work. Okay. Next one. Next one is that ensure that HTMS is configured in client 000 and user like DDIC only. Okay. So this is the second point. Third point. So depending upon the size of the package, you can you can deploy either from front end or application server. So in the practical tomorrow I will tell you where this option front end or application server. Okay. So depending upon the site, if see if the size is whatever the patches you are applying, that size is more, then you need to definitely apply from the application server. If the size is less, then you can apply directly from the front end and you can do Anchor. Okay. Next one, fourth one, ensure that minimum 2 BTC are available. Okay. So 2 BTC are available means what do you mean by that?
Background work process.
Yes, good. 2 BTC, ensure that minimum 2 BTC are available. Okay. So ensure that perform a database backup before applying a support packages. Latest backup, make sure that latest backup is available. In the worst case, anything can happen. We can do restore or recovery. Okay. Right. And 6 point, make sure that always apply patches from background mode only. Ensure that you apply the patches from background mode only, so that you can apply from foreground also, that is dialog. But what happens in the case when you applied from dialog and suddenly you get logged out from your session, so whatever you are doing, so it will get disconnected. So that's why always make sure that you apply the patches from background mode only. Okay. Next one. Right. Apply patches in the sequence of landscape. Like example, first sandbox development, quality, production. Like this order you need to apply the patches. Okay. Make sure that you apply in the sequence of the landscape only. Okay, right? So before starting applying the patches, go through some notes, that is 822379. So this is in this note, you can able to find the known issues regarding patches. So if you come across some issues, it will be handy for you while applying the support packages or add-ons or languages. Okay, right? So before applying patches, perform spam sent update. So I will tell you in the practicals what do you mean by spam sent. Okay, ensure that enough space available in USR SAP trans before applying patches. Okay, 11th point. So in the similar way, make sure that enough space is also available in DB02. Enough space is available in DB02. Okay, so I'm talking about the database. So less than 90%. Ensure that. Okay. And log the users from EWZ5 before applying patches. No user should able to log in before applying patches. Okay, EWZ5 transaction. So all the users you can able to log at a time. So see, no downtime is required. Downtime is required for this activity. What do you mean by downtime? What do you mean by downtime? No, downtime means system should be in up and running mode while applying. So no start and stop of application and database is required while applying patches. Okay. Okay. No aborted support packages should be there while applying patches. Okay, no aborted support packages should be there. Okay, right? And see 15 point, you need to apply the package packages in sequence, in the number sequence, in the number sequence. No number sequence means, suppose your current, suppose your current patch number is 14. Is 12, let us say. So you need to apply 13. You cannot jump to higher version. Okay, right? No, you cannot jump to higher version. Okay, next one. Next point, schedule RDD IMP DP / RDD new PP through SA 38 to trigger background jobs. In client 000, in client 000 using user GDIC. Okay, you need to schedule this RDD IMP DP or RDD new PP from user like DDIC and client 000. Okay, configure router to get support from SAP if you come across any of the issue. Okay, next one, 18 point. Ensure functional team, functional or development team is available to adopt changes when you come across the issue. Okay, understood. And record the modifications to a transport request and include them. While applying subcode packages in the other system of the landscape. Okay, right? Okay, are you getting all these points? Yeah. Next one, pause or delay BTC jobs. Okay, while like pause, you need to pause this, the pause or delay the BTC jobs using report BTC trans 1. Okay, in SE 38 and and when the activity is completed, you need to resume those jobs. BTC TRNS 2, BTC TRNS 1 in the same SE38 T code only. Okay. Apply patches with DDIC, user and client 000 only. Okay. Right. So these are the useful prerequisites you need to follow while applying a support packages. Okay. So 22nd point. 22nd point. Check for the lock objects in change request using SE01 or SE03. Okay. So in that repairs will be there one. So I will tell you. Okay. So you need to check for the lock objects. Okay. 23rd point. To paralyze the import, increase the number of processes using HTMS extras. Then go to settings. Settings to more than more than 3 based on available CPUs. Okay. So 24th point. Anything I left? Let me check. Any other point? So all the major points I have covered. Okay. So now see, perform kernel upgrade. Perform kernel upgrade. Okay. Specially TP R3 trans. So these are the executive files which reside under the kernel only, and TP R3 trans and SAP car. Okay. Make sure that you need to perform this. Okay. Any other point I miss? I'm seeing. I'm checking. And 25th point, apply is not required. Okay. Yeah. So these are all the 24 points you need. This is the prerequisite for all this. Okay. For all this. Okay. So any doubt regarding this? Any doubt, guys?
Yeah, no, sir.
Yeah. So make a running of note of this. So I will upload also in the YouTube. So please watch, do these videos. Okay. So tomorrow I will show how to apply this support packages, spam sent update. I will show you. Okay. So you also need to do practice. Okay. Okay. Any doubt?
మనం అక్కడ యాప్ సర్వర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసినప్పుడు పాస్వర్డ్ అడుగుతుంది కదా,
What password?
అక్కడ మీరైతే